Right here's a massive brush pile. My yard has gone to total crap over the last little bit. Not the purpose of this video to discuss how it got this way. Maybe in the future with another video. I don't know. Probably not. But no, today we're starting to clean up, reclaiming the lawn, getting rid of what I let it become, and we're going to do it a little bit different. And by different, I mean, you all get to come inside me and enjoy the ride. So, let's get to it. Welcome to the experience. There's a lot of places where I could start with this. Every place needs work, from here all the way down. Work is needed everywhere. But for the ease of starting things and showing the fastest progress to boost motivation, I'm going to start back here in this section. We're going to get all this cleaned out. I have an idea, you can't really see them, but we have a ton of wall bricks down here. They run all the way from back there and stop right about here. I'm going to repurpose those. This is going to transition back to lawn. I have no idea where my work gloves are. Not sponsored, but it'd be cool if they did, if they made yard wear. We're going to start with this Milwaukee. Got my 8 amp hour battery in there. No guard. And string trimmer, landscape blades not on it. Gonna use this first. If this dies before I get finished, I have something a little bit more powerful, or well, Connor does. Some old pokeweed we'll put in there. This is just an absolute freaking disaster. This dead bush, planted that same time I planted the Leland cypresses, or maybe the following summer when those guys were tiny. It grew now, it finally died, so we got to get that out of there as well. Along with my red twig dogwoods, the son, Connor. Hacked them up last year, they never recovered. Progress, getting there. This thing is actually doing pretty good. String, I'm running the Echo Diamond string. Cuts really well, but also binds up in the feed head sometimes. Battery check, I'm about 50% left, which is not enough to begin back here. And we'll move over into here and start working on this bit. Battery's charging for the Milwaukee, so while we're doing that, we're going to kind of clean up this area and start working our way back into here and getting things kind of under control. And I think I have a rogue Leland cypress growing back there. I planted 2, but it looks like there might be 3 of them. I might have planted 3 though, I can't remember. That's not good. Let's move that into the shade. Leaky super death fluid. Okay, making our way a little further deeper into the jungle. So I think I did plant 3. 1, 2, 3. But I thought I only did 2 because those are kind of close together. A dead bird floating in this water. Let's wheel him out in the sun to cook. Sweet gum. Clear ourselves deeper into the forest. If y'all have been with me for a while, you might remember these. This was a really good gazebo. It lasted a long while. Okay, one more pole to go, but right there we have our DIY dirt sifter made from a baby crib. And fun thing about that was myself, Connor Ward, and Ryan Knorr all released with no communication with each other dirt sifting videos on the exact same day. Kind of crazy. Back in business now with a fresh charged battery, and we'll start over in here, work our way around, then start moving up the hill. Now we'll hit it in the grass area final time with the mower, get all that cleaned up, and we can start on the hill. Progress has been made. Did a dump run while the GoPro was charging. Got rid of those old gazebo posts, then some old rusted out chairs. Got a lot of stuff cleared out back here. We have the 2 Leland cypresses, but then back here, this guy, like some sort of spruce or juniper, cedar, I don't know. I did not plant this. This is something that's grown and is growing pretty quickly. But to finish off, back here and back there, battery was charged in the Milwaukee, but it was time to break out the big guns, the FS91R. My son is not around though, this is his, so I'll be using it, and it should make pretty quick work. And a total pisser out of freaking string. Okay, that still made pretty good work out of this. It just chopped things down, so now I got to clear out everything in here before I can move up into that back corner. However, looking at the time, I do have other things I have to get done today. I need to get the ladder out of the shed, which is going to be fun because there's some wasps that have taken hold. I have to get an antenna put up for a new RTK, but massive brush pile there. I was hoping to have no brush, but just the amount of stuff. So we're gonna have to do a greenways haul off for this and get rid of that. Can't burn it right now, it's too dry. Burn bans, all that fun stuff, but still looks like total hell, but it's looking better. So still got to finish this up. Next up, we're gonna have to redo everything along this side. My thinking is the curve is going to come terminate right here at this post. This will remain mulch, we'll clear it out, but then all of this, all the way up, is going to revert back to turf. And then, so the gate needs repair, but we're not going to fix that. We need a double gate to get some of Connor's lawn equipment back here. So this is going to be completely reimagined back here. Turf will probably go up to this area, or there might be a small corner bed to house the luba. And then on the other side of the fence, we got that cleared off. The yucca, I believe, is going to go there. And the yucca will be for the front lawn. Luba will stay with the back lawn because it will eventually be mowing that hill. Ramp was taken apart, got to clean up that. We can reuse a lot of that lumber. I have no idea what to do with this here. I don't really want to go grass all the way up against the house, but I may. That's just going to be a nightmare to clean out. This won't be too bad digging those up. And then I have iron edging, steel edging that goes about to the trampoline there. Gonna pull that up. There's a break right there, and that'll be enough to re-arch it and terminate it there against the fence. And then all this will become grass. All the shrubs, ornamental grass is pulled out. I need to kill this and get rid of it. And then trampoline's going away, just got to take it apart. And a lot of this is going to return to lawn, and then we'll have in this swale down there, finally finish it, and we'll get some river rock, and it won't be as wide and as big as it was before, and things should be pretty cool. And thinking about building a little deck in this little area there, just a nice place in the shade to cool off, because 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now. the only shades from the Leland cypresses. Other than that, it's full on attack with the sun. So that's my thoughts. If you have any ideas, suggestions on what I should do, drop them in the comments below. Bam! So there we go. A lot done, a lot of things cleaned up. Still a long way to go in reclaiming my overgrown lawn. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you tune in for the next one. It's Mike, Real Odette. We'll see you.